Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to scan Tesco Clubcard at petrol stations, pay at pump, in-store and app tips. To scan your Tesco Clubcard at a petrol station and unlock Clubcard prices or collect points, you must scan your digital or physical card before making your payment. The process varies depending on whether you choose to pay directly at the fuel pump or walk inside to the kiosk. How to scan at the pay at pump terminal. First, do not insert bank card first. Look at the pump screen before lifting the fuel nozzle. Now scan or insert your club card. Physical plastic card. Insert your club card completely into the designated card slot where the screen prompts you, then remove it when instructed. Key fob/digital app. Hold your plastic key fob barcode or your phone's Tesco app screen up to the glowing red barcode scanner window beneath the screen. Wait for confirmation. The screen will display a message like Club Card accepted or Club Card points saved. Insert payment card. Now follow the on-screen prompts to insert your debit/credit card, complete the pre-authorization check, and begin fueling. How to scan in store at the kiosk. First, complete your fueling at the pump and note your pump number. Then walk inside the payment counter and inform the cashier of your pump number. Hand over your physical club card or present your phone screen with the Tesco Grocery and Club Card app open. Now ensure the cashier scans the barcode before you tap your phone. Insert your chip and PIN, bank card, or hand over cash. Essential digital app tips. Turn up screen brightness. The outdoor scanners on older pay at pump terminals struggle with glare. Manually turn your smartphone screen brightness to 100% so the laser can read the app barcode. Add to digital wallet. Open your Tesco app and select Add to Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. This allows you to pull up your club card quickly without needing mobile data or a strong cell signal at the petrol island. Tesco Pay Plus integration. If you use the legacy automated payment features within the Tesco ecosystem, you can link your debit card directly to your digital club card barcode. One single scan will process your points and your payments simultaneously. What to do if it fails to scan? The scanner is broken. If a pay at pump scanner fails to read your barcode, you must pay inside at the kiosk to claim your points or lower fuel rates. Forgot your card. Take your physical paper fuel receipt directly into any main Tesco customer service desk within 14 days of your purchase. The staff can manually add the missing fuel points to your account balance. Missing points balance. Keep in mind that fuel points accumulate at different rates than standard groceries, typically 1 point for every 2 liters of fuel purchased. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.